Ever wondered how to create an oasis of tranquility right in your backyard? Introducing the concept of koi ponds, a serene element that not only beautifies your garden, but also helps melt away stress. Today, you'll learn how to build your very own koi pond. The first step is planning. Decide where you want your pond to be and how big you want it. Location is crucial. Consider sun exposure, as koi thrive in a balance of sun and shade. Keep it away from heavy foliage to avoid fallen leaves muddying the waters. Ensure there's enough room for your koi to swim freely and grow. You might find it helpful to use a garden hose or string to visualize the pond's shape. Once you've got your plan, it's time to get digging. With your plan in place, it's time to start digging. This is where your koi pond begins to take shape. Dig deep enough to accommodate your koi, typically around 3 feet. Consider creating different levels within the pond. These shallower areas are ideal for planting aquatic plants that will enhance your pond's ecosystem. Before you lay the pond liner, line the hole with sand or underlayment. This helps prevent any leaks. With the pond dug and lined, you're ready for the fun part, adding water and life. Now it's time to fill your pond with water, plants, and of course, koi. Begin by introducing water slowly, allowing it to settle. Next, add aquatic plants. They'll provide shade and help maintain the water quality. Then comes the star of the show, the koi. Introduce them gently into their new home. Remember, the water quality is paramount for koi's health. Regular checks and maintenance will ensure your aquatic friends thrive. And there you have it, your very own oasis of tranquility. Creating a koi pond is a rewarding endeavor that brings peace and beauty to your garden. Imagine the joy of watching koi swim gracefully, bringing tranquility to your day. Now why not create your own little oasis? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.